What up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and listen, I'm all about this grilling life because it's super easy, super simple, and relatively healthy. You can get dinner on the table really quickly without a lot of effort. So today, I'm gonna do my Cajun and brown sugar grilled chicken thighs, and let me tell you something about this here recipe, huh? It's fantastic. You're gonna be doing this all the time. First, I've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna add in lots of olive oil. Then let's add all the good flavors. So I'm gonna start with some garlic powder, onion powder, all right, a little kosher salt happening. I've got some cracked black pepper, hot cayenne pepper, chili powder. I've got a little bit of cumin that's gonna go in here. Here we go with the Cajun, your favorite Cajun seasoning. This one is a non-salted one. And then to balance all this stuff out, you need a little bit of sweetness, so I've got some dark brown sugar right in there. I'm gonna get in here with some gloves and get this all mixed up. Now that we have this all mixed up, let's go to the grill. All right, so my grill's preheated, my chicken's marinated. Ooh, let's go. All right, we'll shut the lid and let the grill do its work. We're coming out to flip the chicken so we can cook on both sides. All right, our chicken is all cooked up, so we'll get it off of the grill. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. So our chicken is here ready to go. I'm just gonna slice up some scallions just to put on top, just for a pop of color and flavor. And let me get in here for a little bite. Look at how juicy that is. Here we go. Come on, come on. Sweet, spicy, smoky. Oh my God. This is really good. You gotta give it a try. You do. Look, all those other spices and herbs are the foundation, but that Cajun and brown sugar send this completely over the top. Give it a try. You'll love it, I guarantee. Recipes like this, you know where they're gonna be on my website. It's DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food, y'all. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.